You ever met someone who doesn't chase attention, yet somehow everyone remembers them? It's not charm. It's not looks. It's something deeper. The way they speak, the way they listen. Because when you know what to ask, you don't need to impress anyone. They're drawn to you. You ever notice how some men never chase women, and yet women chase them? It's not their looks. It's not money. It's not status. It's presence. It's how they make a woman feel when they speak. Most men talk to women to impress them, but only a few talk in a way that makes her think, that makes her feel. And that right there is the difference between being forgettable and unforgettable. So today, I want you to forget about pick-up lines, fake confidence, or acting cool, because I'm going to show you something different, something deeper. 10 questions that, when asked with genuine curiosity, emotional intelligence, and calm energy, can make any woman feel seen, not chased, not flattered, but understood. And when a woman feels that, trust me, she'll never forget you. But before you ask her a single question, there's something you must understand. These questions only work when your energy is grounded. If you ask them to manipulate her, she'll feel it instantly. But if you ask them because you genuinely care about understanding who she is, her world, her fears, her dreams, something powerful happens. She opens up, her guard comes down, and she connects not with the words you say, but with how you make her feel while saying them. Now imagine this, you're sitting with her. Maybe it's the first time, maybe you've known her for a while. The energy is calm, the air feels different, and you look at her and say, softly but confidently, tell me something you've never told anyone before. It sounds simple, but it's one of the most powerful questions you can ever ask, because every person, no matter how strong, carries a story inside them that's never been told. When you ask this question, you're giving her a rare gift. A moment to be real, and that moment will stick with her long after the conversation ends. Now, here's the second one. What made you who you are today? You'd be amazed how few people ever ask this. Most men are so busy talking about themselves, they forget to explore the soul sitting right in front of them. When you ask this question, you're not asking about her favorite color or her weekend plans. You're asking about her journey. And when she answers, listen. Truly listen, because that's when her story becomes a bridge between you and her. Third, what kind of peace are you looking for right now? This question hits differently. It's not romantic, it's not invasive, it's real, because everyone is searching for peace. And when you ask her this, you're touching something most people ignore. She might pause, she might smile, she might even get quiet for a moment. But deep down, she'll feel something, respect. Because you're not trying to impress her. You're trying to understand her soul. Fourth, what do you think most people misunderstand about you? Every woman has a side the world doesn't see. When you ask this, you invite her to drop her mask and be seen for who she really is. This question makes you different. You're not feeding her ego. You're feeding her trust. And that's what builds emotional chemistry. Not words, not looks, but trust. Now the fifth one, what scares you the most about love? This one is deep. And only ask it when the moment feels right. Because when a woman answers this, she's not just telling you about fear. She's revealing how she loves. Maybe she's been hurt. Maybe she's learned to protect herself. And when you hold space for that, calmly, without judgment, she feels something she hasn't felt in a long time, safety. And that's where true attraction begins, in safety. The sixth question, when was the last time you truly felt proud of yourself? Most people rarely celebrate themselves. When you ask this, you awaken her light, her strength, her confidence, her self-worth. You remind her that she's more than her looks or her mistakes. She's a human being who's grown. And in that moment, you become a mirror, reflecting her best self back to her. Seventh, what kind of energy do you want to attract into your life? This question does two things. First, it makes her think about what kind of life she wants. And second, it shows her what kind of man you are. One who doesn't chase temporary moments, but meaningful energy, because real men don't ask for attention. They ask for alignment. Eighth, when you're alone, what do you think about the most? This is where you go beyond the surface. This question takes her into her quiet moments, the parts of her life that no one asks about. It shows that you care about her thoughts, not just her presence. And that depth, that curiosity, that's what makes her feel connected. Ninth, what does happiness look like to you? This question is subtle, but powerful. It tells her you're not assuming you know what makes her happy. You're inviting her to define it for herself. And when she does, you'll understand what she values, not from her social media, not from her words, but from her truth. And finally, the 10th question, if you could relive one day in your life, just one, which day would it be and why? When you ask this, her mind goes back to a memory, a moment frozen in time. Maybe it's joy, maybe it's pain. But whatever it is, that moment defines her. And by listening, by truly listening, you allow her to feel seen, not for who she pretends to be, but for who she really is. Now listen carefully, because this is the part most men miss. It's not the questions that make her feel something. It's the intention